So,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
in yesterday class, we have started the prokaryotic transcription, the transcription that occurs in prokaryotic cells, the bacterial cells. Transcription is from DNA to mRNA synthesis. We have seen that prokaryotic transcription is very easy and simple procedure. It requires RNA polymerase main enzyme for transcription is RNA polymerase. Only one kind of RNA polymerase is needed for prokaryotic transcription. And the procedure is initiation, elongation, termination. We have seen that in initiation, short summary, RNA polymerase recognizes the promoter site. The promoter is a site where transcription occurs, both for prokaryotes and eukaryotes, as a promoter region in DNA. In that region, RNA transcription occurs or starts, and RNA polymerase bind to promoter sequence of DNA. Then going to elongation. RNA strand is continuously growing. The RNA strand, this mRNA strand, is continuously growing in elongation phase. And in termination phase, the RNA polymerase stops the synthesis and the nascent RNA is released from DNA template. So this is short summary. This is the DNA sequence, the coding strands. Coding strand means that can code for protein. For coding for protein, it needs to be synthesized first. Synthesis would have mRNA, then mRNA to protein. So mRNA is proceeded from this coding strand by making it template. First, this strand is separated, and the in from promoter region, this is the yellow thing, is RNA polymerase. This whole big yellow thing, RNA polymerase enzyme. It sits at the promoter site. This is the active site. Every enzyme has an active site. You know that. So from here, it started. It recognizes the promoter site. It sits, and from here, elongation occurs. Elongation is new mRNA or nascent RNA synthesis. Then termination occurs when stop codon stop codon sits here by recognized by RNA polymerase. Here I have sent the video. You have seen that when stop codon comes, then the termination occurs. Elongation procedure stops and termination occurs, and it separates. Again, this এটা separate করেছিল two strands of the DNA. It again by breaking hydrogen bonds, two strands again reformed. Then coming to today, transcription in eukaryotes. This is little complex procedure. Overall same. It also has initiation, elongation, and termination, but little different, little complex than prokaryotes because eukaryotes are higher organisms. They have nucleus and all the cell organelles. They are the multicellular, both unicellular and multicellular. Mainly eukaryotic multicellular organisms are more than unicellular ones. So much more complex than prokaryotes. Prokaryotes have three RNA polymerases. Eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have only one RNA polymerase, simple and only one type. But eukaryotes have three kind of RNA polymerase, designated as 1, 2, and 3, each having specific function. Polymerase 1 key function, synthesis of pre-RNA. They synthesis pre-RNA. In case of prokaryotic transcription, only একটা RNA তৈরি হয়, just one RNA synthesized, that is mRNA, and from that, when the time of synthesis or time of transcription, time of synthesis of mRNA, translation also simultaneously. In case of prokaryotes, very simple procedure: transcription, translation simultaneously. But in case of eukaryotes, transcription first, then the RNA should be processed, or many mechanism occurs. The RNA should be processed, or the first RNA is synthesized is called pre-RNA, pre-mRNA. mRNA type of RNA থেকেই protein code হয়. From mRNA, protein is coded, or protein synthesis occurs. Translation occurs. So polymerase 1 does its synthesis pre-RNA, which contains precursors for 18S, 5.8S, and 28S rRNA. What is S? I have discussed before. S stands for Rydberg unit. Rydberg equation we have discussed. Rydberg equation, I hope you remember this equation. এটাতে নেই, দাঁড়াও। Three major kinds of RNAs: mRNA, rRNA, and tRNA. RNA three type হয় and their comparison আগের ক্লাসে হয়েছে কিন্তু read it নাহলে ভুলে যাবি। The Rydberg equation is sedimentation coefficient. Centrifugation separates the particles in a suspension, mainly the cell organelles, separated based on the difference in size, shape, and density. Different cell organelles has different shape, different density, different shape, different size. By the basis of this, they separated in centrifugation. Together, they define the sedimentation coefficient, and equation is A is equal to V by omega square R. V stands for sedimentation of the molecules. Omega rotation of the rotor in radian per second, which is also called angular velocity. R stands for distance in centimeter from center of the rotor. And S is Rydberg equation. This equation is Rydberg equation, and it stands for Rydberg unit. It is dependent on molecular weight, density, and frictional coefficient of these molecules. Simple physics. So this is in case of rRNA, the unit is S, Rydberg unit. So polymerase 1, it synthesis the pre-rRNA. Polymerase 2, synthesis of mRNA. We need mRNA. It recognizes the promoter having Tata box. In case of eukaryotes, the promoter region is called Tata box because it has consensus sequence of TAT triple A. TAT triple A একটা বিশাল বড় sequence থাকে in at 30 base pair location. So it is called Tata box. It recognizes the promoter recognizes the initiation of the transcription, where the RNA polymerase 2 in case of eukaryotes goes and sits there. In case of prokaryotes, only one RNA polymerase that goes and sits at the promoter region. In case of eukaryotes, RNA polymerase 2 goes and sits to the promoter region. That region is Tata box. In case of eukaryotes, RNA polymerase 3, it makes tRNA, the 5S RNA, and some other specialized RNAs. There are many other RNAs, snRNAs, many other RNAs are there. Major RNAs are rRNA, mRNA, and tRNA. And different RNA polymerases synthesis different RNAs. So let's see what it's telling. Transcription in eukaryotes. So I've told before that unlike the prokaryotes where RNA only one RNA polymerase is there, in case of eukaryotes, three RNA polymerases are there. Their function I have told. So go to initiation. First step of transcription. Many eukaryotic promoters have a sequence. দেখতে পাচ্ছিস তো দাদা? Many eukaryotic promoters have a sequence called Tata box. In eukaryotes, helper proteins called basal transcription factors TBP or TF2. They are the transcription factors. They along with RNA polymerase 2 bind to promoter first, What is the promoter? Data box. It's a sequence target in 30 phase pair location, that is data box T80 AAA. There, these factors TBP, TF2, these are the proteins, transcription factors. They first bind. They recognize this. What is the promoter? They first sit there. Then RNA polymerase 2 recognizes the promoter site, the data box site, helping the RNA polymerase to bind on the DNA and initiate transcription. So the first function of promoter is to initiate the transcription. And in case of eukaryotes, the initiation occurs at the data box region. Elongation, then elongation occurs when the growing. So the Canada. Wait 1 minute. I have made an updated PPT. Wait. So first initiation briefly. So data box is recognized. In case of eukaryotes, promoter region is data box, and that is recognized by these proteins for transcription factors. And after binding these transcription factors, RNA polymerase 2 sits on the data box. Then elongation occurs. When growing RNA chains are about 30 nucleotides long, যখন 30 nucleotides long হয়ে যায় mRNA, then at the 5' end, RNA also has 5' end and 3' end like DNA. The 5' end in the RNA is modified by capping with 7-methyl guanylate phosphate group, triphosphate group, or 7-methyl guanosine. The main factor of this cap is to regulation of the nuclear export, prevention of degradation by exonuclease, promotion of translation. What is this? I'm going in details. So first, capping occurs. This requires the modification of the RNA. So the first RNA synthesized is called pre-mRNA. Then after, it needs to modify it. Three kind of modification occurs. First is the post-transcriptional modification of pre-mRNA. In prokaryotic organism, the primary transcripts of mRNA, including genes, begin to serve the transmission templates before their transcription has been completed. So transcription translation occurs simultaneously in case of prokaryotes, in case of bacteria. But in case of eukaryotes, the primary transcripts of mRNA encoding genes undergo extensive processing before they are converted to mature functional forms. So mRNA, the pre-mRNA that forms from DNA, that is to be occur some modification, some transcriptional, post-transcriptional modification. Post means after, so post-transcriptional modification occurs in mRNA or pre-mRNA. First one is 5' capping processing. Now, girls, any question? বুঝতে না পারলে বলবি। So 5' capping processing, it occurs at the 5' end. RNA also has 5', 3', but RNA is single stranded. So at the 5' end, Capping of the pre-mRNA involves addition of 7-methylguanosine. 7-methyl একটা মিথাইল গ্রুপ থাকে, গুয়ানোসিন গুয়ানিন structure দেখাচ্ছি আমি to the 5' end. In order to achieve this, the terminal 5' phosphate requires removal. 5' এ phosphate group থাকে PO4 and at the 3' end OH group থাকে hydroxyl group, which is done by the aid of phosphohydrolyase enzyme. This enzyme helps to addition of this 7-methylguanosine and it is called 5' capping. 5' একটা cap লাগিয়ে দেওয়ার মতো 7-methylguanosine is added. So let's see, suppose this is the pre-mRNA. This is UTR মানে হচ্ছে untranslated region. This region is not translated. Uncoding region, non-coding region. And this is the coding region. UTR again, this is the untranslated region. Untranslated region. U for untranslated T and R for region. And this is the coding region, protein coding segment. And this is the 5' phosphate 5' end and this is 3' end. At the 5' end, phosphate group is first removed, then 7-methylguanosine it is added, and this is called 5' cap. Like a cap, it is added, so 5' cap. So this is the first procedure of তিনটে procedure of 5' capping, the removal of the introns and poly-A addition. So first হচ্ছে 5' capping. So this is done by the help of this enzyme, phosphohydrolyase enzyme. Then what occurs? It helps. এটা কেন add করা হয়? Because it helps regulation of the nuclear export, prevention of degradation by exonuclease. Exonuclease is a kind of enzyme. It's also called molecular scissor. It cuts DNA at a specific site or a specific nucleotide. It cuts. So the cutting যাতে না হয় সেজন্য the capping is done. Promotion of translation. It helps to promotion to translation. Next step is translation. So translation help করে. Then termination. The pre-mRNA needs some modification to convert into actual mRNA. These are before translation, before termination, polyadenylation or poly-A tail addition, যেটা বলছিলাম আমি at 3'. Addition of poly-A tail. Poly-A tailটা কি? Tail of many adenine nucleotides. Many adenine A অনেকগুলো. So many adenine nucleotides join at the 3' end of the RNA by poly-A polymerase by enzyme. Every mechanism or every reaction needs some enzyme. Guanosine added enzyme বলেছিলাম 5' capping it. This enzyme and poly-A tail addition needs poly-A polymerase enzyme. And RNA splicing, removing out the introns or non-coding sequences from pre-mRNA and pasting together to remaining coding sequence or exon. So these three things happen. First হচ্ছে 5' capping, 7-methylguanosine, 5' capping. Then introns. Introns are removed. Introns are the non-coding sequences. When we have studied the model organism chapter, we have studied that 98% of our genome is non-coding. They can't code for protein that can't occur, that can perform transcription or translation. They are non-coding part. So these non-coding parts should be removed. Because non-coding partগুলো থাকলে this can't code for protein and it may cause some problem in case of translation. So the violet region is exon. The violet region is intron, the non-coding part. And these green things are exon. These are the coding parts. It হচ্ছে 5' UTR, untranslated region where the capping occurs. And this is 3' UTR, 3' hydroxyl region যেখানে that is also untranslated region. এখানে poly-A tail addition হয়. And these violet things should be removed by the enzyme A polymerase, poly-A polymerase. By enzyme poly-A polymerase. Also that is called spliceosome. In the video you have seen, by the help of spliceosome molecules come at and cuts this thing. This intron cut করে and join these two exons. মাঝখানে গ্যাপ হলো, these gaps are joined by that enzyme and two exons are joined. This is called splicing. Splice করা দেওয়া হয়, splicing. So introns is removed. Capping added. মানে হচ্ছে 5' cap. 7 methyl guanosine added. Then আরেকটা হবে polyetyl adenine. Many A region, মানে many A nucleotide or adenine nucleotide is added at 3' end. 3' OH group. That is called polyadenylation. Poly many, adenylation, adenine, adenylation. So this is mature mRNA. Mature mRNA তাহলে কি থাকবে? 5' cap. Intron is removed, totally removed. Only exon, only coding sequence, only the sequence that can code for protein. কোনো আজেবাজে জিনিস থাকবে না, যারা কোড করতে পারে না, they can be situated. Suppose তোদের ইয়ে হচ্ছে বলে ওটাকে ক্যাম্পাস, সো যারা কোড করতে পারে না, একটা কোম্পানি এলো, they will hire on the basis of merit, on the basis of কে ভালো ইন্টারভিউ দিচ্ছে, সো কাদের বাদ দিয়ে দিলে যারা কোড করতে পারছে না, so all the introns are removed and all the exons যারা ভালো মেরিটে, যারা ভালো কোড করতে পারছে, they are selected. So like that, capping. So mature pre-RNA তে কি থাকে? Capping, 5' capping or 7-methyl guanosine. 7-methyl guanosine or 5' cap. Then introns are removed. All the introns, এখানে একটা দেখিয়েছে, many introns are there in between exons. So introns are removed. Then polyadenylation. Many adenine group is added at the end of the 3' end. So this is the mature mRNA, and after this, এটা তৈরি হওয়ার পরে, this can code for protein or translation. So in case of prokaryotic transcription, after synthesis of pre-RNA, first pre-mRNA, then that is modified and mature mRNA formation. This only occurs in eukaryotic cell, not in prokaryotic cell. So after formation of mature mRNA, then this can code for proteins or translation occurs. Okay, so for any questions? So simple difference between prokaryotic transcription and that mechanism অত বড় বড় লাগবে না কিন্তু, because এটা মানে জেনেটিক্স এর সিলেবাস, এত ইয়ে ডিটেল লাগবে না তোদের। সো ইউ নিড only the mechanism, মানে খুব অল্প করে, short in brief. Initiation কি হয়, what happens in initiation, what happens in elongation in case of prokaryotic transcription, in case of eukaryotic transcription, and the main difference is in prokaryotic transcription, that is very simple procedure. It has only one RNA polymerase. The main enzyme for transcription, both eukaryote and prokaryotic, is RNA polymerase. RNA synthesis occurs, so RNA polymerase. In case of DNA replication, DNA polymerase is the main enzyme. And in case of RNA synthesis, transcription, RNA polymerase. So simple হবে মনে রাখবে। And the main difference of prokaryotic transcription and eukaryotic transcription is, in prokaryotic transcription, only one RNA polymerase requires that has only one promoter region in DNA, prokaryotic DNA, that recognize and simple procedure of mRNA synthesis occurs. No need to modify that mRNA because simultaneously transcription and translation occurs in case of bacterial transcription or prokaryotic transcription. But in eukaryotic transcription, that is little complicated, a little time consuming also, that requires, it has many promoter region, and that promoter region is, it has a name, it is data box, eukaryotic consensus sequence of T80AAA. And another transcription factors also needed. They are TVP, TF2. They first bind, then RNA polymerase 2. It has many RNA polymerases, RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, RNA polymerase 3. RNA polymerase 2 কি করছে? mRNA synthesis করছে। Its synthesis of mRNA, RNA polymerase 2, and RNA polymerase 1 কি করছে? rRNA, RNA polymerase 3, tRNA. So 2 is needed for the main reaction because we need mRNA. From mRNA only proteins is synthesized. So mRNA is needed by the help of RNA polymerase 2, and after synthesis of pre-mRNA, that is not mature mRNA, after synthesis of pre-mRNA, some modification occurs. That is the main difference of eukaryotic and prokaryotic transcription or RNA synthesis. That modifications are 5' capping or 7-methyl guanosine. এই ছবিটা দেখে বোঝ, 5' capping, then intron removing or splicing by spliceosome or polymerase, and polyadenylation or poly-A tail addition. Like a tail, it is adding many A's, many, up to 100 হতে পারে, অনেক বিশাল বড়. So like a tail, it is added polyadenylation. So these three things occur after pre-mRNA synthesis, and that is called mature mRNA. A mature mRNA only has coding sequences, exons. It can code for protein by the process called translation. So in the next class we'll study about translation. আজ পড়ালে বুঝতে পারবি না, দুটো গুলিয়ে যাবে. So in the next class we'll study about translation. What is translation? How it is occurred? We'll discuss. So আজ কোনো question? আচ্ছা, for exam, please tell me the dates for exam. কবে দিতে চাস? CA3. Inform করিস আমাকে CR from also discuss with section A because two sectionের একই সাথে নিতে হবে, same department. Discuss with section A also and CR please discuss করে আমাকে বলিস কবে. So in the next week, এই coming week এ দিতে না চাইলে in the next week, 21st, 22nd. হ্যাঁ বল, কিছু বলছিলি?
ম্যাম স্যার বললেন যে নেক্সট মানডে বা টিউসডে হবে, তো আমরা ভাবলাম মানে ওটা ফিক্সড হয়ে গেছে।
কি হবে? এক্সাম তো?
হ্যাঁ, CA3।
হ্যাঁ, তো কোন টাইমে দিবি সেটা বল, আমি সেই মতো সেট করতে হবে।
ম্যাম ডিসকাশন করে বলতে হবে আপনাকে।
হ্যাঁ, ডিসকাস করে বলে দিই সেই
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
উইকেন্ড আমি কোয়েশ্চেন বানাচ্ছি। মাই পার্ট অফ সিলেবাস ইজ বায়োমলিকিউলস। এই যে এইটা আরেকবার বলে দিচ্ছি ভালো করে, যা ওটাই ক্রস করে দিলাম। দিস বায়োমলিকিউলস, the four type of biomolecules: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acid. This one also discuss the book. আমি জানি না তোরা বই পেয়েছিস কিনা। So the biomolecules, these four biomolecules. যদি এমসিকিউ তো হয় তো ঠিক আছে, এটা বললেই হয়ে যাবে, বাট যদি না হয় ব্রড কোশ্চেনে হয়, সো আই ওয়াজ টেকিং দ্য অ্যাসাইনমেন্টস। এরপরে ক্লাস হয়ে গেলে দু একটা এক্সাম নেবো, প্লিজ অ্যাটেন্ড করিস, এক্সামে ভয় পাস না, বিকজ তোদেরই ভালোর জন্য। হয়ে গেলে ক্লাস হয়ে গেলে এখন আমি বলে দেবো ডেট। So before that, CA3 from my part, biomolecules.
ম্যাম মানে আপনার পার্টে শুধু বায়োমলিকিউলস, মানে আগের গুলো তো থাকবে না?
না,
ওকে
আগেরগুলো
ম্যাম।
আগের এক্সামে হয়ে গেছে, কিন্তু সেমিস্টারে সব থাকবে।
ইয়েস
বিফোর
ম্যাম।
সেমিস্টার সবগুলোই পড়তে হবে, সেজন্য মাঝে মাঝে যাতে তৈরি থাকে, প্র্যাকটিস থাকে, সেজন্য এক্সাম নেব। রাগ করার
ইয়েস
কিছু
ম্যাম।
নেই, রাগ করলে জানি বাজে লাগছে, সব সাবজেক্টেরই চাপ রয়েছে, বাট স্টিল যাতে তোরা ভালো র্যাঙ্ক করিস সেজন্যই চিন্তা, আর কিছু না। ওকে, সো টুডে এমনি থাক, বিকজ ট্রান্সলেশন শুরু করলে এখন শেষ হবে না আর বুঝবিও না। নেক্সট ক্লাস উইল ডিসকাস আবাউট ট্রান্সলেশন ফ্রাইডে from 11:15 a.m. So bye for today. And for assignment, অনেকে আরো সাবমিট করেছে, আমি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট ডিসকাস করে দিয়েছি। for those who submitted late, and discuss the answers, please collect it from your friends if you didn't attend the class. that আর অনেকে লিখছে যে এক্সাম পেলে যে animals and plants করি eukaryotic single cellular eukaryotic organism animal plant single cellular eukaryotic animal doesn't exist. They are not animals, they are protists. They are the kingdom protist inside the domain eukaryota or eukarya. They are not animals. Amoeba is not an animal, it is protist. Amoeba, euglena, paramecium, they are protists. And eukaryotic unicellular yeast হয়, that is uh, fungi, unicellular fungi, yeast or Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So don't write as animal, eukaryotic and single cellular animal or single cellular plant. ঠিক আছে, এই জিনিসটা একটু খেয়াল রাখিস, বাকি সব ঠিক আছে। and the differences you should write in, অনেকে লিখছে দুটো কলাম করে, don't make two columns, make at least three columns. Features, first difference, then second difference, এভাবে লিখলে ভালো, তো নাম্বার ভালো পাওয়া যায়। Okay, so that's it. Okay, so bye for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.